garden of 127 Kensey Valley Meadow. It's a 2-bedroom coach house with a garage, and the garage has power and light. And as you can see, it does have its own garden as well, with a lovely view out over to the water meadow. This is the front of 127 Kensey Valley Meadow. This one comes with its own garage, as you can see, with the door on, and then the other two belong to the 2 houses just up the road, and they're as carports at the moment, but I do believe one of them is having a new door put on. As you can see, it's the lower part of Kensey Valley Meadow, slightly newer than the properties at the top, and obviously parking is fairly good here. I'll just take you to the side bit of the garden that we missed off, or we're missing off of the back video. There we are.